3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Sweet Life.
Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Sweet Life. To the Sweet Life. To the Sweet Life. We outside.
Big dog.
I don't think so. I get my friend.
Oh, sure we safe.
That's my snake. Not doing anything.
Yeah, go buy things on them.
Damn. Wow.
Okay, that is nice. That's real nice.
I didn't even know we had.
I thought it's gonna be something like little shit.
Made sense, but it's cool. Damn. This is real cool.
Dog, this is amazing.
Check out my phone. Nah, because we do a girl jokey.
What happened?
I see you now.
Nah, I just set my settings.
Yeah,
I get my
Don't
settings.
try that.
I'm just getting my settings.
Okay, yeah. What's that to do now?
It's hard with I'm trying to get like the dark skin tone stuff up. I would definitely want to revisit here, and we were lucky like to see the waterfall as it was, because it had a slight rain in the morning, and sometimes during dry season it's a little trickle. So that was a nice experience. Also, I was wondering, would y'all be interested in walkthroughs, like a point of view perspective of a hike from start to finish, and also a cinematic recap of different hikes around Trinidad and Tobago? Y'all let me know down in the comments.
Oh, sorry, you think? Shit. Oh, you come from down way, though.
I was gonna jump you.
You think that's a good idea?
I mean, kicks. I mean, it's way too short.
No. Do the next one. Hey, what is that? It's not recording. I'll take this one.
Corin. Come now, Arias.
They don't have no monster, boy. They don't have no monster.
That was a clip of us making our way down from the waterfall to the smaller pools as you go down the hill. As you can see, it wasn't the easiest thing to reach, but yeah, just us heading back to the waterfall now. Wow, thanks, content.
Steam on this one.
Yeah. That's hard, so not nutshell, huh? Woo. You have an arm on your boy. Wait,
It's done.
it's not, it's a video.
Oh. Hi there. So, today we are in nature, and one thing yeah.
Here, come back.
One thing that I've learned today about nature is that it really grounds you. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, I think we should all get back to our roots, literally, and ground ourselves, like how I'm grounded in the ground. And yeah, back to me. All right. And I think that when we do that, we really connect with a really deep part in our spirit that we don't unlock when, you know, we're doing everyday things and getting caught up in life, you know. So let's not do that. All right, yeah. Bye.
Go!
So guys, that was our little trip to Maracas Waterfall. Thank you for watching the vlog. Be sure to like and subscribe, and make sure you're up to date with all my previous videos. As always, good vibes, go along.
Say it, welcome to the sweet life.
Welcome to the sweet life.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jada here.